Welcome back to my channel, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and right here I have a lovely selection of fresh fruits in which I'm going to use to make a delicious smoothie for you guys. Okay, so right here I have some mango, some pineapple, and some wonderful papaya. To that I'm just going to go ahead and add some water, small amount, okay? I want it to be thick, and I'm going to add some simple syrup. Okay, amazing. So I'm just going to cover this and put to a blend, okay? This one is pretty easy. Okay, amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some ice in a cup. Okay. And I'm gonna pour this lovely smoothie over. Look how nice it is, guys. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. Nice and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in another one pretty soon. Stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.